So folks, I'm down at the Wildheart Animal Sanctuary. I'm on a networking evening and I have just had a wonderful food, and now we're having a tour. We should have gone on the first tour because it's now raining, but never mind, we won't worry about that. So this is, they rescue animals and bring them here. This used to be the zoo, but it's now a rescue centre for animals. Let me see if I can hear what Lily's saying. Was that thunder? Was that thunder? Oh no. I don't seem to have my coat. Oh, my coat's in my bag. Who are we wiggling our eyebrows at? Sorry, I missed that because I was...
One that's just gone to bed up there.
Oh, right, okay. Oh, right, okay. Not run away from us. How good. So this is a networking evening, folks, and a fundraiser. I'm a bit wet. Do you know what? I'm going to get my blue tarpaulin out and put it over me. My little blue tarpaulin. Hang on, folks. Sorry, folks. It's raining, and I'm just going to wrap myself up in my... Oops. Sorry, there. I'm wrapped up in my blue tarpaulin, folks. That's better. There's another tour that's just been round. Some of the other members of the networking party, they've just finished their tour. They timed it better than we did, didn't they? Sorry, folks, it's very bumpy. I'm trying to keep my tarpaulin around my shoulders because it's raining. And it's thundering as well. Not the best time to come round. Never mind. Thank you, you're waiting for me. And you are? Mikey, and what's your role here? Marketing, is it? Oh, I want to talk to you. Yeah. Oh, Moors. Yes, you're Moors. So it's Moors that have set up this event, isn't it? Done the fundraiser, yes. Right. Okay, let's hope my camera doesn't get too wet. Doesn't like getting wet very much. And when you last saw me here, folks, I was in with the lemurs. I can see. Yes, a wallaby. Is it a kangaroo or is it a wallaby? How do we know what's what? No, I don't either. They jump. They both jump. Oh dear. Much better to come in the sunshine. It was sunny when we got here, folks, but it's raining and thundering now. Sorry, Lily, I'm getting left behind.
Yeah, so this is our brand new lemur dome. Built out of, it's completely sustainable and carbon neutral. It's built out of bamboo, and we've reused materials from around the sanctuary to build the bedrooms, and they've got straw as insulation. We've got our lemurs living in there. We've got two groups. We've got our friendly lemurs that you can walk through the dome.
I've been in there. Oh, I don't think I want to go in with the unfriendly ones. I think Go Live Granny wants to survive the trip. I think I'm going to head back inside. I think I do. Folks, we're going to give up and go back indoors. It's pouring with rain. Apparently it's not raining in Ryde. I've just been told it's not raining in Ryde. Sorry folks, we're getting wet, so we're going back indoors. Whoops. We should have gone on the first tour, but we were still eating our food, so we missed the first tour. They got back before it rained. Sorry folks, we are heading back inside because it's starting to pour with rain. Lily, go ahead of me, don't you get wet. I'm slow. Oh my goodness.
Lovely British weather.
Oh yes. Oh, Go Live Granny has nothing if not shenanigans. Even if it's getting soaked in the sanctuary. Never mind, I'll have time to dry off before I go home. Oh, here we are folks, going back in. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh.
I bet you regret that now, don't you?
I do. But I'll tell you what I won't regret. I won't regret that lovely, hang on, let's turn it round. Hang on, it's not turning round, is it? Because it's got wet. Oh, it's not turning. Right, so this lovely gentleman got me some wonderful fruit salad by. So that would be marvellous. That would make it all better. And I'm going to go over here and show you folks. We had a wonderful spread of food. You know, it's been a bit decimated now, but look at this. We have some lovely friends. Look, some nice friends looking at us, and there is my fruit salad over there. And sorry, what? Hang on, let me just turn. No, wait a minute. Come this side with me, because the sound is better on here. So tell me, you were saying.
So yeah, when I was in the army, certainly for the sergeants and more of the officers' mess, we'd create amazing displays. Peel a salmon skin, and then boil a load of eggs, peel the egg skin,